Daylight Time. At 6:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Santee, or near Cleveland, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Helen, Unicoi State Park, Camp Coleman Lake, Whitley Gap Shelter, Robertstown, Leaf, Mossy Creek, Smith-Galwoods Conservation Arm, Sutty and Qualachie Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at Atlanta. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: White, Georgia. The National Weather Service